Let's dive into the top 16 foods that will supercharge your gut health. These foods are your allies in maintaining a healthy microbiome, promoting optimal digestion and reducing inflammation. Yogurt is a rich source of probiotics, which are live bacteria that when consumed in adequate amounts can help balance the bacteria in your gut. These beneficial bacteria support a healthy digestive system, aiding in the breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients. They also help to maintain a healthy gut lining, preventing harmful substances from leaking into your bloodstream. This spicy and tangy fermented dish, typically made with cabbage, radish, cucumbers, and garlic, is a staple in Korean cuisine. This fermented soybean paste used in soups and marinades is a traditional Japanese ingredient packed with probiotics that support a healthy gut. Miso's probiotic content helps to maintain a balanced gut microbiome, aiding in digestion and nutrient absorption. Pickles are naturally fermented cucumbers that contain beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus. The probiotics support gut health by aiding digestion and promoting a diverse gut bacterial population. Kombucha's antioxidants help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Many people enjoy kombucha for its potential health benefits, including improved digestion and a boost to the immune system. These bacteria support gut health by aiding in digestion and helping maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Garlic acts as a prebiotic, providing food for beneficial gut bacteria. Oats are a fantastic choice for supporting gut health due to their high content of beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic for beneficial gut bacteria. This helps to nourish these bacteria, promoting a healthy gut lining and aiding in digestion. Oats also contain resistant starch, another type of fiber that resists digestion in the small intestine and acts as a food for gut bacteria. This further supports a diverse and healthy gut microbiome. Oats are a versatile grain that can be incorporated into various gut-friendly recipes. Like garlic, onions contain inulin, a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial bacteria in the gut. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, which provides food for beneficial gut bacteria. The fiber in chia seeds helps to support regularity and prevent constipation. It helps to heal and strengthen the gut barrier, preventing leaky gut syndrome. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family so they too can discover the best foods for gut health. Until next time, happy gut healing. This nourishing liquid is also a good source of collagen, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of the gut. By incorporating bone broth into your diet, you can help soothe digestion and promote a healthy gut. Additionally, chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the gut and promote overall digestive health. They're easy to incorporate into smoothies or meals, providing a nutritious addition to a gut-friendly diet. These bacteria, such as bifidobacteria and lactobacillus, play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. These nutrient-rich nuts are a good source of fiber, healthy fats, and polyphenol. The fiber and polyphenol in almonds support gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and reducing inflammation. Studies have shown that consuming almonds can help increase the abundance of beneficial gut bacteria, such as bifidobacterium and lactobacillus. These bacteria play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system and boosting the immune system. Onions also contain antioxidants and polyphenol that support gut health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Incorporating onions into your meals can help promote a diverse and thriving gut microbiome. It contains compounds like allicin that have antimicrobial properties, supporting a healthy gut by inhibiting the growth of harmful microorganisms. Inulin helps to feed these bacteria, promoting their growth and supporting a healthy gut. Bananas are a convenient and delicious source of prebiotics, which are essential for feeding beneficial gut bacteria. They contain resistant starch, a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic. This helps to promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria, improve digestion, and maintain a balanced gut microbiome. Bananas also contain potassium, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, which support overall health and well-being. Additionally, bananas can help regulate bowel movements, making them a great choice for maintaining healthy digestion. Asparagus also contains other essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, and folate. Its low-calorie and high-fiber content make it an excellent choice for those looking to support their gut health and maintain a healthy diet. Garlic's prebiotic and antimicrobial properties make it a valuable addition to a gut-friendly diet. Pickles also contain fiber and vitamins and minerals like vitamin K and sodium. However, it's important to note that some pickles are made with vinegar, which can alter their probiotic content. So look for brands that use a fermentation process without vinegar for maximum gut health benefits. It also contains fiber, which acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. Miso's unique fermentation process gives it a distinct savory flavor that adds depth to dishes while providing gut health benefits. Kimchi is rich in beneficial bacteria, including lactobacillus, which contribute to gut health by aiding digestion and producing essential nutrients. These beneficial bacteria support a healthy digestive system and contribute to a diverse gut microbiota. Tempeh also provides plant-based protein and fiber, making it a great option for vegetarians and vegans. Its probiotic content helps to improve gut health by aiding in digestion and reducing inflammation. These bacteria help break down food and absorb nutrients, promoting a healthy digestive system. Kimchi also contains vitamins A, B, and C, which support the immune system and overall well-being. Additionally, probiotics in yogurt can help reduce bloating, diarrhea, and constipation, making it an excellent choice for maintaining healthy bowel movements. At number 16, we have yogurt with live cultures. Not all yogurts are created equal. Opt for those with live and active cultures. Next up at number 15 is kefir. This is a fermented milk drink that is often called the most probiotic-rich food on the planet. It's a bit fizzy and has a slightly sour taste. This tangy and slightly sour vegetable is not only delicious, but also a powerhouse for gut health. Sauerkraut is incredibly high in probiotics, which support a healthy digestive system. The abundance of probiotics in sauerkraut helps to maintain a balanced gut microbiome, aiding in digestion and nutrient absorption. It also contains dietary fiber, which acts as a prebiotic, providing food for the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Sauerkraut's probiotic and fiber content work together to support a healthy gut and boost the immune system. Similar to yogurt, kefir is packed with various probiotic strains, which are beneficial for gut health. These probiotics support a healthy digestive system and contribute to a diverse gut microbiome. Kefir can help improve digestion, alleviate bloating, and enhance the body's absorption of nutrients. It's also known for its potential to improve bone health due to its calcium content. Coming in at number 14 is sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage dish. Let's stay in Korea for number 13, kimchi. Miso takes the 12th spot. In the 11th position is tempeh. This fermented soy product has a firm texture and a nutty flavor. Tempeh is another excellent source of probiotics. Coming in at number 10 are pickles, specifically the fermented kind. At number 9, we have kombucha. This fermented tea beverage is known for its slightly fizzy and vinegary taste. Kombucha is rich in probiotics and antioxidants. In the 8th spot is garlic. This flavorful bulb is not only a culinary ingredient, but also a gut health booster. Onions take the 7th spot, adding another prebiotic food to our list. Coming in at number 6 is asparagus. This delicious green vegetable is high in inulin, a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic for beneficial gut bacteria. At number 5 are bananas, especially slightly green ones. Taking the 4th spot are oats. Chia seeds are in the 3rd position. Almonds take the 2nd spot. Finally, in the 1st position, bone broth. Bone broth is a rich source of gelatin and amino acids like glutamine, which support the health of the gut lining. Thank you for watching.